Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to hide your profile photo on WhatsApp Web on your PC with the new update. It's a great way to protect your privacy and keep your profile photo out of sight from unwanted viewers. So let's get started. The first step is to open your WhatsApp account on your PC. Once you're logged in, you'll see a gear icon in the top right corner. Click on the gear icon to open up the settings menu. Next, click on the privacy option in the settings menu. Then, navigate to the Profile Photo section. Here, you'll see the option to choose who can see your profile photo. To hide your profile photo from everyone, simply select the option for Nobody. This will ensure that only you can see your profile photo, and it will be hidden from all other users on WhatsApp Web. And that's it. You've successfully hidden your profile photo on WhatsApp Web on your PC with the new update. It's a quick and easy way to protect your privacy and keep your information secure. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials and tips. See you next time.